1 pair of jeans, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of undies, can wear for 5 days, 4 t-shirts, because I'm wearing 1 t-shirt already, 1 hat, oh wait, I'm gonna keep that, 3 pairs of shorts, I'm packed. Oh, no I'm not. 2 pairs of thongs, because Havaianas are great, but sometimes that bit pops out. I need a backup. GorillaPod, Karma grip, regular grip, GoPro Hero 5, GoPro floaty grip. This is essential if you go in the ocean. GoPro hat thing grip. It's going to do shots like that. This battery charger is so cool, and it will charge my phone 6 or 7 times. Heaps of memory cards. The smallest GorillaPod in the world. That's just to hold my phone when I'm on the plane. Heaps of chargers, just in case. Wallet. I never use this anymore. I use an iPhone. Sony RX100. Apple AirPods with a tile attached. Pia doesn't know this, but I bought her a pair of AirPods as well. Anniversary gift. One final thing I forgot. My gimbal. This is the best thing in the world. Fraser Island is the first place we ever went when we first started dating, and we're going back there today to celebrate our anniversary. We're so late. I need you to sit down on the couch real quick. It's our anniversary.
Yes.
So I have some of the most non-romantic gifts in the world, but I think you'll like them. Firstly, Apple AirPods.
No way! I've been wanting these so bad.
She's been eyeing mine off for a while.
He like doesn't take his out, and then whenever I need to talk to him, he pretends he can't hear me. I'm gonna do that to you now.
Pia has trouble waking up. She will literally stay in bed till midday if she could. I figured we need to work out why you're sleeping so deeply, and hence, we have a sleep tracker.
I feel like you went to the Apple store, am I right?
Yes. But there is one more thing.
Ooh.
Very, very important thing. Stay there. So as you know, a few days ago we crossed 100,000 subs on YouTube, right? Mm-hmm. And I know how much you love watching this guy's show. So this...
No way! You framed... Oh my god!
I figured that was better than a silver play button. Now we gotta go, we're really late.
Alright, let's go.
Our flight takes off in 20 minutes. Carry on baggage only, check in here. Carry on. Bag drop thing wasn't working. Those systems aren't printing any more tickets, so it wouldn't work. So you already checked into your flight?
Yes. Okay, just come with me because you have to rush through security. Oh, thank you so much. Okay, just follow me. Sorry. It's okay. Do you know what gate it is?
Check-in closed 4 minutes ago, so I'm not sure we're going to get on this flight. There you go, mate. Thank you, mate. Cheers. That was the 13th time in a row that I've been security checked randomly. And I even shaved. I thought I want to make sure I look nice and pristine.
You do look pristine.
I thought I did, but... 36. And we're not going to Melbourne. Maybe it's gate 38. How do we not know this stuff? 10:20. Gate 40. I haven't got my boarding pass though.
Do you have ID and I can reprint it for you?
Yes.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thanks.
Must be kept through your condition. If you and that, I'm sorry about it. Do it now, prior to the last cabin.
The only reason we got on this flight is because the air stewardess follows Pia on Instagram. And I got a window seat, which means good B-roll. We've got our bags. Now we're waiting for a taxi. So we just got out of the cab and we're now in a bus.
Backpackers drove their car on here and then left it in neutral and didn't put the handbrake up and left the car and the car just rolled straight off into the water.
That's cool.
That is awesome.
The place we're staying is actually an eco lodge, which is why it's like, it's not like super pristine, purely because it's designed with the ecology in mind, which is kind of cool. So for example, the main reception area has no lighting until 6 PM, and on a day like today when it's a little bit overcast, it just means you're sitting in darkness. So we have a problem.
What?
And it's my fault. Right. I didn't bring my drone blades.
Oh no!
I've got no propeller.
Are you serious? So wait, that's your drone there, and you can't fly that?
I brought my drone on holiday for no reason. Oh no. Okay, well,
Oh, this is such a fail.
so let me give you a quick update of what's happened. The weather is forecast to be terrible for the next 3 days. Yeah. We're only here for 4 days, and so I was hoping to take the drone out today because whilst it's overcast, at least it's not raining. We've actually decided to go home tomorrow because if the weather's bad, there's no point being here. And now that I don't even have my drone propellers, well, now as well, I'm just gonna drink this beer. I'll see you in a week's time. There's no internet on this island, so we have the choice of 2 DVD animated specials, The Little Mermaid, Happy Feet, Duma, I don't even know what that is. Some friendships are wilder than others. Bit of paper, Aladdin, the SpongeBob SquarePants movie, or 8 volumes of National Geographic, of which, oh, it's actually Finding Nemo and The Best of Broom.
Do you get the vibe this is intended for the children?
Oh no. I need to focus. There we go. They might have TV, if not, we have got 3G on our phone. I don't particularly want to use that for YouTube or Netflix. No. But
you push it.
It's 7:30 at night. Also, I don't particularly want to sit on these couches because I feel that they've seen better days too. So I'm probably just going to lean like this for the rest of the night. And before anyone suggests any funny business, like we shouldn't be complaining because we could just go do funny business, the beds aren't any better.
We don't actually want to get undressed in the beds.
We're so going to be sleeping
We're
in
going to
it.
get more dressed.
I'm going to be wearing pyjamas and like a head, probably my hat as well. Did you mention the Apple Watch?
No. Oh, Tomorrow we are giving away an Apple Watch because we're going to celebrate our 100,000 subscribers. We're doing a couple of giveaways, so if you want to make sure that you don't miss out on that video, make sure you hit the little bell because then you'll get notifications about it.
Ding.